Thank you for registering for the Transformational Breathwork Journey and Cryotherapy Workshop at Expand Health. My name is Tim Wagner, and I'm going to be your breathwork guide. You may already have a stress management practice in place, or perhaps you're investigating this for the first time. Whichever it is, I know this is going to be the beginning of something truly profound and transformational for you. So, what can you expect? We're going to begin with a breathwork journey, and after this, you'll experience the cryo chamber. Before we get into that, a detailed discussion around the effects our stressful lifestyles has on our bodies, and I'll share some tips that you can put into place immediately to start mitigating these stresses through some conscious connected breathing. During our 45-minute transformational breathwork journey, I'm going to be guiding you through a conscious connected breathing practice that's going to help gain access to the subconscious mind to release trapped trauma, stresses, and anxiety, and also help rewire the brain. Now, this guided journey is done through a combination of music, deep breathing, and NLP style communication. All you need to do is lie back, breathe, and let your body do what it does instinctively. You'll be in full control and fully aware of what's happening around you at all times. Please come dressed in something warm and comfortable to make it easy to move around, and a small pillow for your head as you will be lying down. After this, the cryo chamber extreme cold is going to activate your nervous system through rising norepinephrine levels, increased blood pressure, and increased heart rate. The cryo chamber, in combination with breath work, is bound to be a truly mind, body, and spiritual transformational experience. During our time together, there'll be plenty of time for discussions and any questions that you may have. I look forward to meeting you soon.